Hey, everyone, and welcome back to Rolling Legends. Today, we're diving into one of the most anticipated releases of 2026, the all-new Mercedes-Benz GLE. If you're a fan of luxury SUVs with unmatched performance and cutting-edge technology, this is one car you don't want to miss. Stick around as we explore what makes the 2026 Mercedes-Benz GLE a true game-changer in the world of SUVs. Let's start with the design. The GLE always had that perfect balance between elegance and athleticism, and Mercedes has taken it up a notch for 2026. The front features a sleeker grille with a more aggressive stance, highlighted by a new set of sharper, slimmer headlights. The LED light signatures have been redesigned to give it a futuristic look, and those distinctive LED DRLs are now even more pronounced. The body lines are cleaner, making the GLE look more dynamic as it glides down the road. The 2026 model also offers new wheel designs and fresh color options, allowing buyers to really personalize their ride. It's got that premium, yet muscular aesthetic that makes it stand out on the streets. Now, let's talk about what's under the hood. Mercedes is offering a range of engine options for the 2026 GLE, from the more traditional gas-powered variants to hybrid and electric powertrains. The standout here is the hybrid setup, which combines a turbocharged inline-six engine with an electric motor, delivering an impressive balance of power and efficiency. Expect smooth acceleration, with plenty of torque for a thrilling driving experience. And for those who want even more power, the AMG GLE models are making a return, boasting a monstrous 4.0-liter V8 engine that roars to life with over 600 horsepower. Whether you're cruising on the highway or hitting the trails, the GLE offers an engine for every type of driver. Inside, Mercedes-Benz continues its tradition of crafting luxury cabins that feel like a first-class experience. The 2026 GLE comes with an expansive dual-screen setup that integrates the latest MBUX infotainment system. This means you get a crystal-clear display with intuitive controls, and it's all voice-activated, making it super easy to navigate through menus or change settings while keeping your eyes on the road. The cabin features premium materials like Nappa leather, wood accents, and brushed metal, ensuring that every surface feels top-notch. There's also plenty of space for passengers, with a focus on comfort, especially in the second row. Whether you're on a long road trip or a quick jaunt around the city, the GLE promises a smooth and comfortable ride. When it comes to technology, Mercedes-Benz never holds back. The 2026 GLE is packed with advanced safety features, including the latest iteration of driver assistance package. With features like lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, and active brake assist, you can drive with more peace of mind knowing that this SUV has your back. The car also comes with a 360-degree camera system, parking assist, and rear cross-traffic alert, making tight spots and city driving easier than ever. As we wrap up, it's clear that the 2026 Mercedes-Benz GLE is the perfect blend of luxury, performance, and cutting-edge technology. Whether you're looking for a daily driver or an SUV that can handle anything the road throws at you, the GLE checks all the boxes. The design is sharper, the performance is more refined, and the cabin is an absolute treat for anyone who loves comfort. Thanks for tuning into this quick look at the 2026 Mercedes-Benz GLE. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to Rolling Legends for more car reviews and updates. Until next time, stay rolling.